How to get Roblox voice chat without ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about getting the Roblox voice chat without a verification of your ID. So I already have a voice chat enabled without using a passport or the driver's license. First, you have to ensure that your account is age 13 or older. Check for the 13 plus icon on your profile, and if it's not there, consider using an account with a high age. Then click on the settings icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Then navigate to the privacy and scroll down to chat features and turn on the enable chat with the voice. It should be straightforward. If you encounter any issues, leave a comment below and voice chat should be active. In the settings under input devices, select your microphone, and if it's not showing, reconnect the microphone or restart your computer. So this guides you on enabling the voice chat in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.